Hello, guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world. Okay, guys, today again, I'm going to share with you another powerful trick that is going to really help you to win your bet in a more easy way, guys. Okay, this trick is not on football, guys. This trick is on the ice. Okay, guys. Please, those of you who really want to understand this trick, watch the full video so that you understand this trick. Okay, guys, it is very important. Okay, and also those of you guys those of you that will like this video. Okay, guys, the only way that you can show me that you like this video, guys, okay, is to like the video. That's the only way you can show me that you like what I'm doing. Okay, guys, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks. Okay, guys. Okay, as you know, security is very important for me. Okay, guys. Okay, those of you who really wanted to secure their account, okay, the best way you can secure your account, guys, is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP. DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code is going to secure your account, guys. Okay, whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the OneXBet platform, if you have created an account with this promo code, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue, guys. It is the best promo code in the world that is going to secure your account, guys. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, it is the best promo code in the world in terms of security on the OneXBet platform. Okay, guys. So, guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Okay, let's go and make I show you this trick. Okay, guys, then let's come to ice. Okay, today we are going to talk ice. Okay, guys, we come to ice. Okay, here. Okay, then after coming to ice. Okay, here, then we let's find. Okay, let's select here. Okay, guys, very important. Okay, the most important one of the very important that we have to choose here. You have to make sure that the match that you are going to select is going to be a very hard match. Okay, as you can see here, we can see that uh we can see that this match for example, is going to be a very hard match because the two teams have almost the same odds. Okay, as you can see here, the two teams have almost the same odds. Okay, it means that this matches is going to be a very hard match. Okay, guys. Okay, but another person can also select this type of matches because they are also a bit hard. Is they are also going to be a bit hard. Okay, guys. So now after that, let's select one match. Okay, now after selecting this type of matches, as I said, the one of the most important things you have to make sure that the two teams have almost the same odds. As you can see, the two teams have an odd of 2-2. Okay, it means that this match is going to be a very hard match. Okay, guys, then after that, now let's calm down. Okay, our option is down. Let's calm down. Our option is down, guys. uh let's Alright. Okay, guys, this is our option, guys. Empty net goal will be scored. Okay, guys, then let's click on it. Here, what are they asking you? Empty net goal will be scored. Yes and no. Okay, here they're asking you whether you are sure that a goal will be scored when the goalkeeper is not on the net, on the goal. Okay, yes and no, but we are not interested with the yes. Okay, this is not our problem. Okay, please, this don't choose this. Okay, if you choose this, you are going to lose. Okay, so don't choose this. Okay, we are going to select this option. Okay, no. By selecting this option, guys, we are saying that No goal will be scored when there is no goalkeeper there. Okay, the only way, if we select this, the only way we can lose, it is only when the goalkeeper leave the goal, and then another player come and score when there is no keeper on the goal. Guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. And this is almost impossible in this, okay. And also in ice, okay, this is very 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 few to face this type of goal, okay. Because on ice, okay, those who are watching ice hockey matches, they know that always the goalkeeper is on the net, okay. Is the goalkeeper is always on the net, okay. So it is very very very, it's not common that the the the, the opposite team score a goal when the keeper is not there, okay. It is very 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 few, guys, okay. I tried this like 5 times and I win all the 5 times, okay, guys. So guys, this is a very very option you can use and win your bet in a very very easy way, guys, okay. So guys, I hope you understand the option. It simply means that when you select the no, you are saying that the opposite team will, no team here, no team, the two teams, no team here will score a goal, and a goal where that there's no keeper on the goal, okay. I hope you understand, guys. It means that no goal will be scored when there is no goalkeeper on the net, okay, guys. I hope you understand. It means the only way you can lose, it is only when a goal is scored on an empty goal. I hope you understand, guys, okay. So this is a very simple way you can select 2, 3, or 4 option, and all will win, guys, okay. But please don't try to not be too much greedy, okay. Don't be greedy. It is very important, guys, okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you today, okay. Tell me what you think on the comment, okay, and take care of yourself. Have a nice day, guys. Ciao.